Hello, Miffy. Is something wrong?
I want to play hide and seek with my friends outside. But it's raining.
Oh dear. You can't go to the park when it's raining, can you?
No. There are puddles everywhere. And they've spoiled everything.
Sounds to me like someone's in a bit of a grump.
I am not in a grump. I just want to play outside with my friends. Oh! It's Snuffy! Soggy Doggy.
That's nice. One of your friends has come to see you.
Stay still, Snuffy. I need to dry you. Snuffy, you're all wet. Snuffy? Snuffy, where are you?
Have you lost Snuffy?
I think she's hiding.
Then maybe you can play hide and seek after all.
Oh, yes. Coming, ready or not. Huh? Snuffy, is that you? She's disappeared. Snuffy. There you are. I can see you. Oh. Stay there, Snuffy. Hello, Miffy. Grunty! You came to play. I'm playing hide and seek with Snuffy. You can help me catch her if you like. Ooh, she's hiding over there. Snuffy's good at hiding. Oh, she must have found a new hiding place. Come on, let's find her. Snuffy, Snuffy, where has she gone? Ooh, Snuffy's hiding forever so long. Snuffy, Snuffy, are you over here? Snuffy has completely disappeared. Snuffy, Snuffy, where can she be? Snuffy's hiding from Grunty and me. Snuffy, Snuffy, are you over there? Snuffy could be hiding anywhere. Snuffy is good at hiding. Ooh, look! She's left some soggy doggy paw prints. Let's follow them. Come on. Snuffy found you! That was a good game, Snuffy. But I do need to get you dry. Stay still, Snuffy. Oh. Oh. Who's that? It's Melanie. Hello, Miffy. Hey, Grunty. Hi. I came as soon as it stopped raining. Yay! It stopped. Now we can play outside. Where's my umbrella? Snuffy! There it is! Stop! Come back, Snuffy! Drop it! Come back! Snuffy, Snuffy, come back, sit! That's an umbrella, not a stick! Snuffy, Snuffy, we'll catch you! You can run But we're fast too. Snarfy, Snarfy, you're too quick. That's my brolly. Please stop it. Okay, you and Grunty go that way, and I'll go this way. Okay? Nothing! Well, I got my umbrella back. Let's play splashing in puddles.
Are you having fun with your friends, Miffy?
Oh, yes! We played hide and seek and tug of war and chase, and now we're playing splashing in puddles.
Well, it looks like you can have fun and play games on rainy days after all.
And you can only splash in puddles when it's been raining. Look! Puddles are fun!